Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is Veldog, and this is my kitchen, where I'll be making affordable restaurant quality food right here in this kitchen. And today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make you an amazing char broil T-bone steak. And guess what? In the stove. Not in the stove, but in the oven. I'm going to show you what I did. I have a bag right here, which is a Ziploc bag. Quite sure you guys can see that. What I did was I put some soy sauce, which is about like a tablespoon of soy sauce. Then I put 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Then I put a tablespoon of the granulated garlic. Then I put a teaspoon of salt. And I put a tablespoon of Sazon, perfect blend. And then I put some rosemary in it. And I let them marinate in this bag for about, I don't know, about 4 hours or so. And I let it rest for about half an hour. So that's what we're going to be doing today. We're going to set that on high, and we're going to put it in the middle of the rack, and we're just going to let it broil, okay? We're going to cook it on each side, 5 minutes per side. See you in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. I'm going to go ahead and put this in the oven. You want to always preheat your oven first. So mine's been going for about 5 minutes, and I'm just going to stick it here on this middle rack right here. And we're going to let that go for about 5 minutes on high. And I'll be back. Okay guys, it's been 4 minutes and a half. Go ahead and check on this. Yes, it's going to get smoky. You don't need no parchment paper. I just use it because I don't want to mess up my pan no further than what it is. I'm just flipping this over right here. Like that. Like so. Okay, we're going to stick that back in there. 5 more minutes. See you in a minute. Okay guys, been 5 minutes. This is going to get smoky. I think that's perfect. We're going to go ahead and take that out. You need a rag or something. Turn this off. We're going to let that sit for about 10 minutes. We bring you up here. Let you guys see what's going on. Zoom out a little bit. So that's how your steak should look. This is a char broil steak. Okay, done in the oven. Amazing steak. So we're going to go ahead and let that sit. And I'm going to continue to doing what I'm doing. So pay close attention. In a minute. Okay guys, that's it right there. You're them char broil steaks. Amazing char broil steaks. So pay close attention like I said. Now what I'm finna do is make another video. But do go back and check out this mashed potatoes that I'm finna make from scratch. Okay? I'm finna show you those. So you know what I'm talking about. I'm making a dinner. They got the broccoli over there, and they got the mashed potatoes right there. They ain't a mashed potato, but they red potatoes. And I'm gonna go ahead and make a video on that. In other words, kill 2 birds with 1 stone. But these are them the amazing char broil steaks right here. Okay. So guys, please like and share this video, and subscribe to the channel. Veldog making affordable restaurant quality foods or better. From my home to yours. Guys, let's get cooking.